At Ryder's home, the story of our home took an exciting new turn with a little help from West Shore Homes. The historic space, ready for its next chapter, was a canvas waiting for a modern touch. The work began in the early morning, and with incredible speed, we watched as the bathroom was taken down to its original studs. As the sun set on day one, the team had completed the demolition and laid the foundation for a fresh start, a true testament to the efficient, high-quality work of this remodel. The space is not only being lovingly prepared for its next chapter, but we are also ensuring this historic masterpiece is cared for at its very core. Be sure to check out the entire story at our YouTube channel. While you're there, like and subscribe and look into living at Ryder's home.